Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a beach house. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my brown pen to draw the beach house. First of all, you have to draw a straight line. Now I'm marking the line with my orange pen. And from the mark, I'm drawing two more straight lines. Let's connect them with my red pen. Now it's looking like a beautiful step. One more line. Now I'm drawing some tiny lines. Let's do it faster. Okay, it's looking great. Now I'm drawing two tiny lines. I'm marking the area for its door. Perfect. Now let's draw the window. Now let's draw the shade of the house. I'm using my brown pen. Here I'm gonna draw two lamps. Wow! Here's a tiny flag. Now I'm using my orange pen again. Now I'm drawing a surfing board. To draw that, I'm using my red pen. As this is a beach house, so to draw the sand, I'm using my yellow pen. Now I'm using my green pen to draw some beige plants. I'm using my light green color. To color its shade, I'm using my yellow pen. Now I'm coloring the house with my orange highlighter pen. Now I'm using my brown pen. Now I'm coloring the door with my black pen. Now let's complete the windows. For the left one, I'm using my blue pen. For the right one, I'm using my red pen. Now I'm cleaning all the extra pencil marks. Let's start coloring. I'm coloring the right one with red pen. And for the left one, I'm using my cyan pen. Wow, it's looking amazing! I'm using my orange highlighter pen to draw a shadow. I'm coloring inside the lights with the same orange highlighter pen. I'm finishing the drawing with my black pen. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.